Hi children, good morning. What topic we are discussing children? We are discussing about moving air, isn't it? Yes. Shall I ask one question for you? Yeah. Tell me what is meant by moving air, what we call it? Yes, moving air is called wind. Very good. Moving air is called wind. Now I will ask you another type of question. See here, what kind of air help us to dry our clothes faster? Once again, carefully see the question. What kind of air helps us to dry our clothes faster? Yes, a fast moving wind. Yes or no children? Yeah, a fast moving wind will dry our clothes faster. Yes or no? If there is no wind, our clothes will dry? No, it won't dry. So, a fast moving wind will dry clothes faster. And see here children, different wind moves different speeds. In before class I have given one clue that we have different types of winds. Yeah, in this lesson we can discuss about that. Okay, a fast moving wind will dry clothes faster. Wind moves at different speeds. Now I have given one paper here. Yeah, at home you also take one paper children, keep it on the table and do what I say. Okay, see here, blow the paper with your mouth gently. Gently means not fast, just you blow your mouth air, that much enough. Now see that paper, how long it go. Okay, first blow gently, and also children you should see the distance by your hand span. You know the hand span? Yeah, I will show the picture once. See this. Okay, use your hand span to measure how far the piece of paper went. Okay, how far the piece of paper went, and write it in one page. Okay, write it in one page. And then now again bring that paper back. Okay children, bring that paper back. And now you blow strongly. Okay, not gently. Now you blow it very hard, strongly. And then again measure this paper distance, how long it went. Okay, with your hand palm. Okay, hand span. Okay, again measure it with your hand span and write it on the paper. Okay children, again blow the paper very hard and measure how long it went. Okay, now last the question, tell me, when did the paper move the short distance? When it is gently or when it is hard? Yes, when it is, yeah, when we blew it gently, it went short distance. And what happened when we blow it hard? That means when we blow it strongly, what happened? The speed of the wind was more. So that what happened children? So the paper moved different distance very fast. It went somewhat long than the gently moving air. Yes or no? Yes. In this both we have difference. When we blow it gently, our hand span distance is small. When we blow it hardly, that means strongly, our hand span distance is more. Okay children, now tell me, does the wind blow different speeds? Yes, the only we have seen the wind blow at different speeds. Can we see what are they? Yeah, tell me, which type of wind is here? First of all, tell me, when have you experienced it about the wind? Yeah, and also tell me, when does the wind blow gently? When does it blow hard? Do you know any other names of the moving air children beside the winds? And what happens as a result of the fast moving wind? Yeah, I have so many questions. Will you tell the answers? And also I have my last question. Why is it important to know about the speed of the wind? Yeah, let us discuss about all these questions. Okay children? See, first of all, the wind blows at different speed. Okay. Okay children? Yes, when the wind moves softly or gently, our hair, our clothes will move. This type of wind we call as a breeze. What we call, children? See this picture. When our hair move or when our clothes move, this type of wind we call as a breeze. See the spelling. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. Once again, the wind blows at different speeds. Okay, we are discussing about the speeds, types, names. Okay, remember that names. When the wind moves softly or gently, okay, our hair will blow on the clothes. Okay, this type of wind, what we call, children? Breeze. Okay, now tell me, when the wind moves faster and the trees also moving and the leaves on the ground also moving strongly, then what we call it? Do you have any idea about it? Yeah. See the picture, I will show you. By that you want to say the answer. Okay. When the wind blows, see here this picture. Yes. When the wind blows, moves faster to move the trees. You can see the trees are moving. And the leaves strongly it is moving on the ground. This type of wind we call as a gale. What is this, children? Gale. If the clouds and our airs move, means what we call it? Breeze. Strongly, when the wind is strong and the trees also moving and the ground floor, the leaves are also moving, then this type of wind we call as a gale. Till now we have discussed about two winds. What is that? Breeze, gale. Breeze means clouds, softly moving air, clouds or our hair. When we stand outside the balcony, when our hair move, this both we can say it as a breeze. But there is a heavy wind with the moving of the trees and moving the dust on the ground, the leaves strongly, then we call it as a gale. Okay, breeze and gale. Now I will show you third one. See, children, when the wind blows very fast and very strong, see the house, what happened to the house, and see what happened to the tree. Can you see, children? Yes, this type of fast, very fast blowing wind, we call it as a storm. What we call, children? S-T-O-R-M, storm. And see here, storm can be very harmful. Okay, children? It can uproot houses and roots. You can see here, the uproot of the house is gone and the tree also fallen from the uproot. So no, uproot means the roots also came out. Okay, this one we call as a storm. Okay, children? Yeah, it is important to know the speeds of the wind. And see this picture. I will ask you one question on this picture. Why does the height of the waves in sea, okay, this is the sea, yes or no, children, become more when the speed of the wind is more? Yeah, when the speed of the wind is more near the seas and oceans, why this water will raise its height of the wave? Can anyone tell me, children? Yes, nothing but here the wind that blows over the sea causes wave. In these waves are becoming height. Why? Because of the wind only, children. So when the speed is more, the waves also become big. If the waves are very big in the seas, then what is the meaning here? What is the meaning, children? Yes, the speed is more. The speed of the wind is more. Now tell me what we have discussed here. Breeze, gale and storm. Okay? Yes. Yes, children. After this, one see this table. Breeze, gale and storm. Gently flowing wind we call as a breeze, and fast and strong flowing wind called gale, and very strong wind we call as a storm. Okay, once keep this, remember this table. Open your textbooks. Yes, children, take the textbook. Page number 118. Breeze, storm and gale. The wind blows at different speeds. Sometimes it blows gently and sometimes very hard. When the wind blows gently, it is called a breeze. If the wind is strong and blows faster than a breeze, it is called gale. It can move the leaves and branches of the trees. When the wind is stronger and faster than a gale, it is known as storm. It usually comes with rain and lightning. A storm is strong. It can uproot trees and blow away roofs. Okay children, now open your volume page number 16, write the date types of wind. Write the names of different types of wind. Why are they different from each other? Okay, write the names, you know the names and you know the differences. You can write here. Okay. Number 2. What type of wind are shown in the pictures? Now I think you came to know or understanding about the wind, breeze, gale and storm. Among these, what are they? You write here. Okay. Number 3. Which picture shows a type of wind that can be harmful? How can it be harmful? Picture 1 or picture 2? Which one is the harmful, children? Yes. Write the reason by seeing that picture. Okay children.